This is AP Calculus. This is number 32 from the second packet for the final exam review. For number 32, we're looking for a maximum. So the definition of maximum is wherever f prime goes from a positive value to a negative value. So knowing the definition, that means we have to find f prime. So let's do that now. F prime of x is going to be equal to, and then it's going to be 3x squared minus 6x, and then constant is 0. And perfect, so we have the derivative, and now we need to solve for where the critical values are. So let's set that equal to 0. So 3x squared minus 6x is being set equal to 0. I'm going to factor out a 3x. So 3x times x minus 2 is equal to 0. So both these terms are set equal to 0. 3x equals 0 and x minus 2 equals 0. So that gives us, when we solve for both of those, we get x equals 0 and x equals 2. So we come to our number line. And we say 2, I guess I should do 0 first, do them in order, 0 and 2. And I'm looking for going from a positive to a negative. And I'm going to use this factored form here to figure out what's happening. So, and my interval here is from -2 to 4, so it does include both these points. All right, so when I plug in something negative is going to be a negative here and a negative here, so negative times a negative is a positive, and both of these are to the power of 1 to the power of 1, so it's going to switch to a negative and switch to a positive. And again, I'm looking for the maximum, so positive to a negative. The positive to a negative is right there, only at 0. So at x equals 0, correct answer is D.